right? And all of a sudden they took it home, you know? And I was just the whole experience. I'm just thinking, I'm like, wow, if I had this when I was in network marketing, you know, this would have been amazing, you know? And I'm sitting down with Robert, and I came on board in 2010, but they had just made that partnership with L'Oreal, and, you know, Robert was telling me how they had just, you know, it had just happened. And he told me about the global footprint in the world that they have, you know, the $100 million in sales that they do every single year. And to be quite honest with you, you know, I'm so blessed, you know, to be Robert's neighbor. I really am, you know. And I remember the very first time I took a look at the secret product, he gave me a nail kit. He just gave me a nail kit as a gift. Shame on him, he didn't demonstrate it. So, you know, I put it under my bed for a couple of months. I just didn't know what it was, and I didn't know how big the company was. I didn't know about the Dutch. So when I took it out, I tried, of course, I fell in love. And, you know, when he told me this whole thing about, you know, just the worldwide footprint, everything that had happened, I said, wow. You see, network marketing, the concept of network marketing, the idea of network marketing is beautiful. Would you guys agree with that?
Yeah.
You see, to be able to work from home, to be able to choose the people you can work with your friends, to work with your family, it is, I mean, isn't it amazing? Don't you love the people that you work with?
Yeah.
You get to choose the people that are your business partners, you know? And just everything about it, I love it. I love the idea of helping somebody have success by default you're taking care of. But the sad thing is for me, you know, when I realized a few years into the industry, I realized for me, all I thought was, I said, well, it's just an idea. You know, it's just a concept. It would have been great if it was really true. You know, and just, you know, you guys know the story, but, you know, here's the thing. We came together not just to make another network marketing company, not just to be, you know, I don't know, just to, you know, sell the product. Of course, it's all about the product, but we came to be a breath of fresh air, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Make no mistake about that. We want to do something different. We're doing something different. You know, we don't want to be considered just another company. We are secret. You know, when people take a look at this community, believe me, we have great products. We have a great opportunity. We have great, you know, leadership. But the most important thing, can I tell you what it is? We have you. We have you. You are the absolute secret. You are the wow factor and secret. Make no mistake about that. We're going to talk about wow right now. We're going to talk a little bit about what makes us say wow. Because what we found is that the whole community is wow. So come on this journey with me. The very first thing is, you know, because we keep hearing this word, this being expressed, and I mean, by default, we all know what it means, but have you ever really looked into what wow means? You see, wow in the dictionary is an expression of excitement and pleasure of life. It's something that is, you know, something that's a true success. And, you know, what I love about the word wow is that wherever you go, okay, where somebody has a feeling of pleasure, of life, of excitement, everywhere around the world, everybody says,
Wow.
Wow. Doesn't matter where you go, you know. What I found is that in Asia, they just say it a lot louder. They go, wow! I kind of like that. I was like, yeah, let's stay here. You know, but you guys agree with me. When you look at certain things, they just make you say, wow, things that are sexy. How about this car? You guys think this is wow?
Yeah.
You guys know. Just imagine yourself getting in that car, selling that leather. Yeah? That's wow. How about traveling around the world in a private jet, not waiting in line? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
I mean, just being able to just drive up and hop on your wow jet. How about take you hop on your wow jet and take you to your wow island? Right? You guys like that?
Yeah.
Let's say wow to that.
Wow.
How about, you know, not just this, what about this achievement? Right? What about climbing Mount Everest? What about this, you know, something that's such an obstacle, such a challenge, and just getting it done? What does that make you say wow?
Yeah.
I mean, just imagine yourself at the pinnacle of Mount Everest. Right?
Wow.
You see, wow is it's not just an adjective, it's nothing like that. It's a feeling.